Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to open a Barclays bank account online in the UK for 2025. Whether you're a student, a new resident, or just looking to switch banks, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Barclays website. Fire up your browser and go to barclays.co.uk. Once you're there, look for the Open an Account section. It's usually front and center on the homepage. Make sure you're using a device with a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. Next, select the type of account that suits your needs. Barclays offers options like current accounts, savings, or even student accounts. Think about what you're after. Do you want overdraft facilities or high-interest savings? Choose wisely based on your 2025 goals. Now, it's time to fill in your personal details. You'll be asked for information like your full name, date of birth, address, and contact details. Double-check everything for accuracy to speed up the approval process. Remember, as a UK resident, you'll need to prove your eligibility, so have your proof of ID ready, such as a passport or driving license. The next step is identity verification. Barclays uses secure methods like uploading documents or answering questions about your credit history. This is crucial for security, so take your time to complete it properly. Once that's done, you'll set up your online banking preferences, including creating a username, password, and possibly setting up two-factor authentication for extra protection. Finally, review your application, submit it, and wait for confirmation. Barclays typically processes applications quickly, often within a few days, and you'll get an email once your account is active. Pro tip: keep an eye on your inbox and follow any additional steps they might require. And there you have it. You're all set to open your Barclays account online in 2025. If you run into any issues, check the FAQ section on their site or contact customer support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more helpful guides. See you in the next video.